Ladies and gentlemen, I told you from the very beginning, the evidence that me up here talking to you is not evidence. Okay? The state up here talking to you, that's not evidence. The evidence comes from right there. I told you that. And I told you that this case was about three things: molestation, manipulation, and mischaracterization. Let's start with the last one, that recording. The state took the time to go through there, put it up on the screen, what was being said. Right? Did y'all notice the skipping time on there? Skipping 4 minutes at a time. Right? Listen to that entire recording. Please. They left out a lot of important stuff. They're talking to you. Go through and they put up the law. Okay? I told you before. The judge told you before. The law comes from up there. She gives you the law. She's going to give it to you in jury instructions. Please, look at those jury instructions. Review all the evidence in this case. What you're going to find is what I told you from the beginning: molestation, manipulation, and mischaracterization. Miranda Goddard's testimony the first time went one way. She didn't need help. She wasn't being molested. You heard this morning. She had previously said she was being molested. And Sean was just protecting her. I would submit to you, the state left out in their closing part where Miranda gets off Jimmy's lap, pulls her back down. You can see his hand out of pants. The state left out the part where he crossed that deck. I believe the expert testified it was 14 feet. Put his hand on that gun. Heard that from my client. You saw the DNA report. It says there was two persons' DNA on that. One of them was a male, at least. It's indeterminate who the other one was. There were two people's DNA on that gun. On the slide of that gun. Sigurd puts on picture after picture. Here's the bullets that were shot. Here's where the bullets were laying. This is where the holster was. Okay? I want you to look very carefully at those photos. Okay? The aerial photograph shows the entire porch. I want you to compare that with other photos that are in evidence. You see things have been shifted during some of those photographs. The state would have you believe that my client walked out with a gun in his hand with the intent to murder, with the intent to kill him. But his holster's laying on the deck. It doesn't make much sense. My client got up and testified, told you what happened. That recording is important. The state's correct about that. It tells you what happened. And the normal relationship that the state put on is important. Yet, Sean and Jimmy had a normal relationship. There's no animosity there. There's no hate or angst or anything of the sort. What happened there? Something is different. Sean knew that Miranda was a sexual being, I guess is a good way to call it. They made sex tapes together, all that stuff. None of that matters. The question is, what happened through all that? Sean goes out there after he sees Miranda get pulled back down. Goes out there, says, "Stop." Threatens him. If you mess with her again, F with her again, I believe is the actual phrase. If you F with her again, I'll drop you. It's a threat. Okay? It's not intent. Still didn't kill him. Then you hear the shuffle. You hear Mr. Sheldon cross that porch, attacking my client, trying to secure that recording, because he just confessed to molesting her from the time that she was 12 years old. You heard her say that. He was going to kill my client. He was going to kill Miranda. You heard the state's expert got up on the stand today, or yesterday, excuse me. Said the bullet wound, possible. Like this. It was in the neck, it was out the back. I said, or the shooter could have been like this, right? Like that? He said, yes, that's possible. John testified the same thing, right? Followed back, cover Miranda. Ladies and gentlemen, I submit to you, and I submit to you that my client did shoot him. I think that much is clear. But he did it reasonably in self-defense. Himself or Miranda, or both. Strictly request that you find my client not guilty of any charges. Self-defense, defense of others, complete defense. I'm asking you to find that it's okay to defend yourself.